Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to enable and disable IP version 4 and IP version 6 using nmtui command in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So first I am logging to the terminal as a root user. Open the nmtui command. So go to ENS160 interface. So now you can see that IP4 configuration is there. So I am deleting the addresses, IP addresses. Remove it. Next I am going to disable. That's it. So this is the way you can disable IP4 configuration. So also I am disabling the IP version 6 configuration. That's it. So this is the way you can disable the IPv4 and IPv6 configuration. Now quit. That's it. Okay, so still it is not disabled completely. So what I'm going to do, once again go to nmtui. So now what I'm going to do, so it's already disabled IPv4 and IPv6. Come back. So activate a connection, go to activate a connection. So here deactivate and activate. So deactivate, now activate once again. That's it. So now type ifconfig or IP address. You can see that both IPv4 and IPv6 are disabled, which means NIC is up and running, that is ENS160 is up and running, but there is no IPv4 and IPv6 set for that interface. So if config also shows the same, no IPv4 and IPv6 addresses because it got disabled. Okay, let me put it back. So once again go to nmtui command, edit a connection. So first let me enable IPv4. Manual means I am going to set the static IP address now once again. Add the address. So that's it. Let me enable IPv6 configuration. So this is automatic one. It's not a manual, it's automatic. That's it. Okay. Back. Come to activate connection. Deactivate and activate a connection. Deactivate and activate a connection. That's it. Come back. Quit. That's it. So now you check the IP address. Yes, you can see that both IPv4 and IPv6 are enabled back. So this is the way you can enable IPv4 and IPv6 using nmtui command in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system.